Hey, Al.
Yes?
Did I ever tell you have those beautiful eyes?
Eyes that you could look into while killing?
You know you have such succulent lips, too.
Some party, huh? Like,
Yeah.
Yukita,
You're really pretty.
answer the question.
I
Are you
want
Kira?
to touch your face.
Ikun? I think you've had enough to drink.
No, no. No! No! How can you do me?
Like, too much. Like,